I can make any niche viral, literally any niche viral.
Paddy Galloway got 10 billion views on YouTube for his clients. Mr. Beast, Red Bull, Jesser, thousands of creators, these two. He's the strategist behind their growth. Meanwhile, you're stuck at a few hundred views per video, maybe less. This video teaches you Paddy's process and how to copy it with free AI tools. Proof and channel deep dives throughout the video. You can start today. Links to everything in the description. Let's go. First question, is your niche too small? Paddy says no. Here's why. Step 1, calculate your TAM, total addressable market. Paddy uses this for every client, before strategy, before content, before anything. He figures out how big the niche actually is. You think your niche is too small? You don't have fancy analytics tools, but you have YouTube search for free. Here's what you do. Open YouTube, type your niche keyword. Let's say golf tutorials, filter by video length, remove shorts, now sort by most viewed, look at the top channels. What views are they getting per video? 500,000, 1 million, 5 million? That's your TAM ceiling. Now compare to your current views, getting 5,000 views per video, top channels get 500,000. You're at 1% of potential. Paddy had a creator complain their golf niche was too small. He searched golf on YouTube, filtered by most viewed. Top channels, millions of views per video. 30 million people play golf every weekend. The niche wasn't small. The creator's thinking was, use ChatGPT to analyze faster. Type this. What's the total addressable market for your niche on YouTube? Show me top channels and their average view. ChatGPT pulls data, gives you benchmarks. Result? You know exactly how much room you have to grow. Paddy does this research manually. Takes hours. You just did it in 5 minutes. Now you'll never blame your niche again. Want to know Paddy's most powerful system? It's called CCN. Watch this. Step 2, apply the CCN method. Paddy uses this on every video idea for every client, every niche. CCN stands for core, casual, new. Core, your hardcore fans. Casual, people who kind of care. New, people who've never heard of you. Paddy asks one question about every video. Does this idea hit all three? Core viewers will click, casual viewers will click, new viewers will click. If it only hits one, bad idea. You're probably only hitting core right now, making videos for people who already know you. That's why you're stuck. But you have ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. I want to make a video about your topic. Rate how well it appeals to core fans, casual viewers, and new viewers. Then give me 5 ways to make it appeal to all three. ChatGPT analyzes your idea. Tells you if it's too narrow, suggests how to broaden it. Example from Paddy. Andrew Millison makes permaculture videos, super niche. Sounds boring, but his video, How the UN is Holding Back the Sahara Desert, got 12 million views. Why? It hit CCN. Core, permaculture fans love it. Casual, environmental people watch it. New, everyone knows the UN and Sahara. You can do this with any niche. Take your narrow topic, add a broad hook. Result, you reach 10x more people with the same content. Paddy charges thousands to teach this. You just learned it free. Paddy has 3 sources for viral ideas. Most people only use 1. So what does this look like when you're staring at a blank dock at midnight? Step 3, use Paddy's idea funnel. Paddy pulls ideas from 3 places: internal, external, innovation. Internal, what worked on your channel before? External, what's working for others? Innovation, new ideas nobody's tried. Most creators only do internal. My last video did okay, I'll make another like it. That's why you plateau. Paddy looks at all 3, every time. You don't have a research team, but you have AI, internal ideas first. Go to your YouTube studio, check your top 5 videos. Type this into ChatGPT. My top videos are about topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. Give me 10 more ideas like these that expand the topic. Result, more ideas based on what already works. External ideas next. Find 3 competitors. Check their top videos. Type this into ChatGPT. These channels get millions of views. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. What video ideas can I adapt to my niche? Result, proven ideas you can customize, innovation ideas last. Type this into ChatGPT. What's a video idea in my niche that nobody has made yet? Make it broad enough to hit core, casual, and new viewers. Result, blue ocean ideas with less competition. You just filled a month of content in 10 minutes. Here's where most creators fail. They skip the most important step. Step 4, master pre-production. Paddy says this is the difference between top creators and everyone else. Top creators plan everything before hitting record. Title, thumbnail, structure, hook, payoff. You probably just wing it. Record first, figure it out later. That's why your videos don't perform. Paddy spends 60% of time on pre-production, 40% on production and editing. You don't have time for that, but you have ChatGPT. Here's the process. Pick your video idea. Type this into ChatGPT. I'm making a video about topic. Give me 5 title options, 3 thumbnail concepts, and a video structure. Make the titles CCN friendly. ChatGPT plans your entire video, titles, thumbnails, outline, review it. Pick the best. Now create a 1-page doc, title at top, thumbnail sketch below, 3 bullet points, why this will work, then a rough structure, intro, 3 main points, outro. That's your pre-production doc. Result, you know exactly what you're making before you make it. No more wasted hours on videos that bomb. Paddy says 20% better packaging can mean 10x more views, not 20% more, 10x more. Here's how to nail it. Quick question. When was the last time you clicked a thumbnail with 5 different things on it? Exactly. Step 5, perfect your title and thumbnail. Paddy obsesses over packaging. He says most creators focus on the video. Wrong priority. If they don't click, they don't watch. Doesn't matter how good the video is. Paddy's clients pay $500+ per thumbnail. You don't have that, but you have Pixels. Here's why Pixels beats generic AI. ChatGPT and Midjourney make pretty images. Pixels makes thumbnails that get clicks. Built specifically for YouTube, not general art. Here's what it does. 1, recreate viral thumbnails. See a thumbnail crushing it? Paste the link into Pixels. It rebuilds it for your video, your style. 2, score your thumbnails with data. Upload your thumbnail, get a performance score, tells you what works, what doesn't. 3, fix weak packaging in 1 click. Low score, Pixels suggests fixes. You apply them, instant improvement. 4, stay consistent with personas. Upload 1 photo, train it once, same face in every thumbnail. Professional branding. 5, generate CTR optimized titles. Tell Pixels your topic, get multiple title options, tested for clicks. Result, thumbnails and titles built to perform, not built to look pretty. For titles, use ChatGPT 2. Type this, give me 10 titles for a video about topic. Use Paddy Galloway's CCN method. Make them clickable, but not clickbait. Combine ChatGPT titles with Pixels thumbnails. Result, packaging that gets 10x more clicks than before. Red Bull had a video idea. World's fastest camera drone versus F1 car. Paddy helped title it exactly that. Result, 20 million views. If they titled it 10 to 20% worse, maybe 2 million, maybe less. That's the power of packaging. There's a test Paddy uses on every thumbnail. It predicts performance in 3 seconds. If you're getting value, hit that like button. Drop a comment. What system are you using first? Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's keep going. Step 6, run the glance test. Paddy uses this on every thumbnail before it goes live. He puts the thumbnail on a slide, blank slides before and after, then flicks through fast. 1 quick glance, half a second. Can you process what's on screen? If yes, good thumbnail. If no, too complicated. Most thumbnails fail this test. Too much text, too many elements. People scroll fast. You get milliseconds. Paddy's rule, 3 elements max, face, object, text. That's it. You can test this without fancy slides. Make your thumbnail in Pixels or Canva, pull it up on your phone, scroll past it fast in your camera roll. Could you tell what it was about? If yes, keep it. If no, simplify. Remove an element, make text bigger, try again. Use ChatGPT to help. Type this. I have a thumbnail with list elements. Is this too complicated? What should I remove? ChatGPT tells you if you're overcomplicating. Result? Thumbnails people can process in milliseconds. Paddy has a 3-stage growth system. Most creators skip straight to stage 3. That's why they fail. Step 7, follow the growth stages. Paddy breaks growth into 3 phases: establishment, improvement, optimization. Most small creators try to optimize. Wrong phase. Optimization is for channels already winning. You're in establishment or improvement. Here's the difference. Establishment phase, 0 to 50 videos. Your only job, make videos, build the habit, learn the skills. Don't obsess over analytics yet. Don't chase the algorithm. Just make content, 1 or 2 per week. ChatGPT writes scripts. Pictory edits videos. You just show up, publish. Result, you build momentum and confidence. Improvement phase, 50 to 150 videos. Now you study what works. Check your top 5 video. What did they have in common? Topics? Thumbnails? Titles? Use ChatGPT to analyze. Type this. My top 5 videos are about topics. What pattern do you see? Give me 10 more ideas that match that pattern. Result? You double down on what works. Noah Kagan was stuck making niche videos. 6 tools that help me run my business. How to use Slack for managers. Views were okay. Growth was slow. Paddy told him, go bigger. Asking millionaires for advice. Broad business content anyone could watch. Result? Millions of views per month now. Same creator, different phase, different strategy. Optimization phase, 150 plus videos. Now you split test titles, test thumbnails, analyze retention curves, study CTR by hour. But you only do this when you have enough data. Most creators try to optimize with 10 videos. Doesn't work. Not enough data. Paddy's clients are in optimization phase. You're probably in establishment or improvement. Focus on the right phase. Get better results. Use AI to speed up each phase. Paddy uses one document for every video idea. It saves hours. Eliminates bad ideas fast. Step 8, create the one-page idea doc. Paddy does this for every video before production, before anything. 1 page, 4 sections, rough title, thumbnail sketch, why it'll work, video structure. Most creators skip this, just start making, then realize halfway through the idea is bad. Waste hours. Paddy prevents that with this doc. You don't need fancy software. Google Docs works. Notion works. Here's the template. Top, your best title idea. Below, quick thumbnail sketch or description. Middle, 3 bullet points on why this video will work. This hits CCN. This topic gets 500K views on other channels. This solves a common problem. Bottom, rough structure. 3 to 5 sections, that's it. 1 page, use ChatGPT to fill it out. Type this, I want to make a video about topic. Give me a title, thumbnail concept, 3 reasons it'll work, and a video structure. ChatGPT generates everything. Copy, paste into your doc, review, adjust, approve. Now you're ready to produce. No wasted time on bad ideas. Here's the proof. Andrew Millison, Permaculture Channel. What the heck is permaculture? Sustainable farming, snooze fest, use Paddy's CCN method, how the UN is holding back the Sahara Desert. 16 million views. Core viewers, permaculture fans, casual viewers, environmental people, new viewers, everyone knows the UN. That's CCN in action. Noah Kagan started super niche, videos about Slack, Zoom, business tools. Paddy helped him expand. Now he makes broad business content, millions of views per month. Same formula, expanded the TAM. These aren't huge channels with massive teams. They use strategy, they use systems. You can do the same with AI tools. Starting today, let's recap the full system. Step 1, calculate your TAM with YouTube search. Know your ceiling, never blame your niche. Step 2, apply CCN method to every idea. Core, casual, new. Hit all 3. Step 3, use the idea funnel, internal, external, innovation, 3 sources. Step 4, master pre-production, plan before you create, save hours. Step 5, perfect packaging with pixels and ChatGPT, thumbnails and titles built for clicks. Step 6, run the glance tests, 3 elements max, instant clarity. Step 7, follow the growth stages, establishment, improvement, optimization, know your phase. Step 8, use the one-page idea doc, kill bad ideas fast, validate good ones. Here's what AI does for you. ChatGPT writes scripts, analyzes patterns, generates ideas, saves 5 to 10 hours per video on ideation and scripting. Pictory turns scripts into videos automatically, saves 5 to 8 hours per video on editing. ElevenLabs clones your voice or generates professional voiceover. Saves 1 to 2 hours per video on recording. Pixels creates performance-driven thumbnails and titles, gets 2 to 10x more clicks than generic thumbnails. Paddy charges 10,000 pluzzers per month for strategy. His clients pay hundreds per thumbnail. You're copying the same system with free or cheap AI tools. You don't need a big budget, you don't need a team, you need the right process and the willingness to start today. Paddy Galloway generated 10 billion views for his clients. He did it with methods, systems, strategy. You just learned all of them. Now you recreate them with AI. If you're serious about YouTube, I have something for you. Free Udemy course. How to make YouTube automation videos in 20 minutes using AI. My name is Kari. I coached for Matt Parr for 3 years, taught 10,000 students, 4.4-star rating, step-by-step training. Take the course right now. Link in the description. Completely free. Builds your channel faster. Someone else is watching right now. They're opening ChatGPT, creating their first one-page doc, running the CCN method on their next video. Will you just watch or will you build? If this helped, hit the like button. Drop a comment. Which system are you using first? Subscribe. I break down top strategists every week. Want to see how others are crushing it on YouTube? Click the video on screen. Your move. Let's go.